Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The structure shows a benzene ring bearing an aldehyde group, ChO, so the parent name is benzaldehyde. The carbon bearing the ChO is C1 by IUPAC convention. Moving on to the next step. Going around the ring from C1, ChO, there is a chlorine, Cl, directly adjacent at C2, ortho position, and a bromine, Br, at C4, para position relative to ChO. Moving on to the next step. The principal characteristic group, ChO, receives the lowest possible locant, which is C1. Numbering proceeds to give the substituents the lowest set of locants. Cl at C2 and Br at C4 satisfy this requirement. And for the final step, substituents are listed alphabetically before the parent name. Bromo, Br, position 4, comes before chloro, Cl, position 2, alphabetically. Thus the name is 4-bromo-2-chlorobenzaldehyde. The ChO is the principal group and defines C1. The ortho Cl is therefore at C2 and the para-Br is at C4, leaving no ambiguity in numbering. Therefore, the correct answer is 4-bromo-2-chlorobenzaldehyde. The correct answer is shown on screen.